What's up, my friend? Kris Krohn here, and today I'm talking about the best way to invest in your 20s. And today is Upside Down Day because I'm going to share with you what the world has told you are 3 smart pieces of advice, and I'm going to tell you that they're bad advice, and I'm going to be replacing them with the 3 right pieces of advice that can show you what I did in my 20s to become financially free, and certainly what you can do to be on the exact same path.
'Cause we're gonna be legends. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary.
You know, it's amazing to me that the last generation, they're doing the best they can to raise the next generation. But by the time you get to the next generation, sometimes the last generation's advice is not always the best advice. So today I want to share with you 3 don'ts and I want to share with you 3 do's. And I think these are going to kind of like shock you a little bit. I'm going to put this under the don't category. And you don't have to like it, but I'm going to tell you that number 1, you've been told that you need to create a budget. The second thing you've been told is that you need to pay off your debt. You should focus on eliminating your debt. And the third thing that you are being told is that you need to put money away for retirement, which means you need to put together 401ks, IRAs, you need to put some qualified accounts together for your retirement. And this is more or less society's game plan. And when I put it under the don't category, I'm looking at all 3 of these and saying, man, if this is your financial plan, 10, 20 years are going to go by and you're going to feel screwed. You're going to feel like, man, this didn't work for me. I get a little fired up on this. I don't know if it's the jalapeno cheese curds that I just had, but if you go over here to the do category, I've got some different advice for you. The first thing is, you gotta, instead of focusing on a budget, you gotta focus on paying yourself first. This is what the wealthy all do. They don't work for their cell phone. They don't work for their mortgage. They don't work for their bills. They work first and foremost for them, which means you are the most important bill to pay. And if you're check to check, you know what it means? It means that you don't value the operator. It means that you don't value you. Are you not taking care of yourself? Are you not investing in your needs? You are check to check. You know what the biggest problem is? Biggest problem if you're check to check and just trying to keep yourself afloat with the budget is that you'll never get enough money to break the cycle. You're waiting for a lucky windfall. I'm going to tell you right now, you have your hand on the lever of the windfall. And you know what it's called? It's called pay yourself before you pay anything else so that you have something to invest. The second thing that you need is you do need an education. This says learn, but what you need to learn to do is you need to learn to invest. I don't mean as in like learn to go to school for career training. I'm not talking about apprenticeship training. I'm talking about learning how to manage your money, not budget, how to invest your money, because investing means your money works for you. You are never going to break the cycle of the past generation unless you can make money work for you, which means work hard and put yourself in a position where you can pay yourself and then you can learn to invest. The last thing that everyone wishes that they had started doing 1 or 2 decades earlier is you've got to get in the game of real estate. I became financially free after just 4.5 years of investing in real estate, and there are some people that will typically take 10 or 20 years to do it, or 30 years to make significant money in real estate. Put time on your side. If you focus on this list instead of this list, things are going to change. Now, I just want to pause for a second because some people are like, Kris, are you saying I shouldn't get out of debt? I'm saying that if you get into debt, it better be a business debt, a good debt, because you learned how to do that. Don't put yourself into stupid debt like student loans for a degree that you're never going to use. If you are going to use it, then that's a great investment. If you're not, then guess what? Then you should have paused and maybe before you got to college, gotten a little clearer on discovering what you wanted in life a less expensive way. Because budgeting, managing debt, and putting away, I can tell you where this will lead you in 30 or 40 years. And I'm going to tell you that it's going to leave you between 80 and 90% short of the amount of money that you want. So it's not a little broken, it's not a lot broken, it's almost entirely broken. But if you get to this side of the fence, you're going to start doing things that society basically says you're a weirdo. You're actually getting ahead and paying yourself, which means you're setting money aside first and foremost that you can learn and then put into investments. And then you're actually getting in the game of real estate. Dude, think about it this way. What if 15 homes could produce a basic 50 grand a year? And I bring that up because the average income in America is $44,000. You buy 15 homes and you're residually doing better than the average American. In the next 3 years, go buy 5 homes each 3 years. You don't even have to, it doesn't even take money to do real estate if you know what you're doing, which I can teach you. Bottom line is, if you're self-motivated and you're ready to go, it doesn't take a long time to put yourself in a position to live the life that you want to live. If you feel like you need some classical training on that and you're looking for a team, a community, if you're looking for a mentor, I provide all of that. But not for anyone. I'm looking for people that are actually motivated and ready to go. I don't care where you live in the world. But if you got heart and you're ready and you're hungry, those are the only two things I need. I need someone with heart, I need someone who's hungry. And if that's you, click the link below. Two things are going to happen. One, you're going to get a copy of my book. And I'm going to give you my book for free. All I'm asking you to do is cover the shipping on it. I'll send it to you. And the second thing is it comes with a free consultation. Get with a member of my team and tell them that you got heart. Tell them that you're hungry. They'll put themselves in your shoes and tell you exactly what they would do to get where you want to go. Friends, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure that you subscribe. I got a fantastic video coming your way tomorrow.